This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. All is well. As we come close to the conclusion of this trading session for August 26th, 2020, where we are seeing the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq moving to all-time highs as the market is showing strong upside momentum. There are a ton, and as I've been saying, there are a lot of stocks that are moving. A lot of stocks are moving. So the question becomes, which one are going to be the most explosive? Now we can see here that some of the leadership stocks in today's market, which is the ones I would like to discuss. So there's two here, BGIC, which is up about 37%, and LI, which is up about 22% for the day. Some of the leadership stocks in this historical, fresh, all-time daily closing highs for the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. Now this here is just a list of stocks that I track daily. But if we take a look at bar chart to see the top gainers, you'll see that it is not showing this move by this stock here. For some reason, it is not showing this stock, but it's going to show this stock here. The two stocks that I'm going to be discussing in this quick, short, educational video. And we can see here for the day, these are the top performing US stocks. And if you take a look here, you'll see LI is right now at about the 6th top gainer for the day. All right, let's take a look. We can see quickly here the Nasdaq at all-time highs. That's the 2-year weekly. Take a look at all data monthly. Nasdaq at all-time highs. We can take a look at the SPX, and this is the 2-year weekly. Take a look at data going back to 1990, and we can see S&P 500 right now trading at all-time highs. So whenever a market is this hot, there's gonna be a lot of moving parts and moving to the upside, of course. At some point today, BIGC, Big Commerce, was up about 43%. And we can see actually this is a follow through from yesterday's nice gain. Yesterday it was up, I believe, in the 20% range, and it's just following through today. So pretty much doing what it did yesterday. And we can see LI is also following through on day number 3 of its nice upward momentum swing. Now, one thing you'll notice with both of these instruments, and these are daily charts that I'm showing, is they are recent IPOs. In fact, recent as of the month of August. So this quick video is going to be discussing, or at least pointing you to the idea of always making sure you understand what IPOs could be breaking out. Now this one did IPO in late July of this year, 2020. And one of the advantages of IPOs is they don't have baggage. And by that, I mean they don't have history, they don't have reasons not to move with the market. They tend to, when they catch fire, when they're on fire, they really take off. So IPOs can also be a good way of playing the market, especially a strong market, because those tend to be instruments that don't have, again, like I said, the baggage. They don't have all sorts of traders trying to take them down. And because they are IPOs, they have yet to frustrate people, and people are open to these stocks being the next superstars. So when they move, they can move. Now, so that we can save time, I hope you don't mind, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to link this playlist, which is on my YouTube channel. And the playlist is going to be discussing how to time momentum instruments in the way of new offerings like IPOs and ICOs. So please take a look in the description of the video. There's going to be a ton of videos, short videos, that can help you understand which IPOs, ICO could be the next ones to explode. Now, using the simple concepts, which is pretty much another variation of the ultimate Muathe breakout, we were able to time that breakout by BIGC, which is this breakout when it moved above 79. So this is the breakout alert for paid subscribers, and the breakout alert was on August 21st. Now again, this is the daily, and we can see that that breakout took place at about 79. So we've been able to capture this move ever since this breakout here, as you can see, because the trigger buy point was at $79, and of course the buy point range was here, and since then subscribers that took advantage of that breakout have been able to capture some of this nice 2-day gain. Now, as far as LI is concerned, the other IPO, we can see that this was profiled for paid subscribers just 2 days ago, or a day ago, which is August 24th of this year, and we can see the breakout alert is right here. The breakout level was when it moved above 16.89, excuse me, so right here. So the buy point was at 16.89. Let's take a look at the chart right here. So 16.89 would be this breakout level here, somewhere there. That was the breakout we were wanting to capture based on that breakout alert. Now, to the method. Because we don't have fully developed RSI and MACDs on the weekly, based on the IPO concept in terms of timing, what we do is we go to the next time frame. Now, because the weekly was not fully developed, we have to check the next time frame, which is the daily. And on the daily, we can see a breakout here that takes place. This breakout happens to coincide very nicely with the RSI moving above 69.1 on the daily. Again, we are using the daily because the weekly is not fully developed for this IPO. And then we can see in terms of MACD, this is breaking out, or we can use the orange line, the other MACD line, to show that it is breaking out. Now understand, I'm going through this quickly, but essentially it is using the ultimate Muathe breakout for IPOs and for ICO. Any type of initial public offering trading instrument needs to meet that minimum requirement before you can capture this type of an upside move. So if you have time and you're so inclined, you can take a look at this playlist. I'm going to link it in the description of this video. And watching one or two of these videos in this playlist should be all you need. Otherwise, it's just a repetition of the same concept. Once you understand it, you can also add it, should you desire to or choose to, as one of your other trading concepts and considerations. So keep an eye on IPOs so as to be able to capture these types of strong swing trades, especially as long as the market remains stable to bullish. Links are going to be in the description for more educational videos, especially as regards timing IPOs from a momentum standpoint. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Love and light, light and love. Namaste.